show you how to insulate a wall properly, quickly and beautifully. For this, we will now use insulation. It's very high quality, it's not too soft, just right for walls. It is not recommended to install very soft insulation on walls. It's better to insulate with a more rigid insulation. Now I'll show you. Here is a board like this. It's more rigid, not soft. I don't suggest a soft one for walls. It's for floors and roofing. Let's see how I'm going to insulate. Let's go. So we have from the top of Nizhny Brusok to Nizhny Brusok. From the top Brusok to the bottom is 590 millimeters. That's 59 centimeters. Here I'm showing you 59 semi. This is so that the insulation fits tightly but doesn't get compressed. 58, that would already be 58 centimeters. That would already be too much. It will end up getting compressed in there and will bulge out a lot. It's better to make it 59 centimeters. Alright, let's take something first. Ha 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 ha. What? No, it's nothing serious. Don't grab it. Thank you. We try to do it so that it's tighter. Thank you. After we've insulated the wall, we'll press the insulation. This is called a pressure washer and a screw, a 50 millimeter one, or you can use a 64 millimeter screw. Now I'll show you. Don't press too hard. That's enough. take the tape measure, measure the piece we need. Measure the size and cut it. Measure. It has to be very sharp. You need to sharpen and hone it regularly. We'll insulate from left to right, overlapping as we go. That is with a whole slab. A tip about this kind of insulation, this isn't an ad, I'm just recommending it because it's good. It doesn't make you itch and it doesn't crumble. A more optimal option. There's also insulation. It's compressed, meaning the packaging is compressed. When you open the package, the insulation kind of expands. I don't recommend that insulation either. It's better to get the boards right away in those packs, those open packs. The density there is 50%, but not 30, because that's way too little for a facade. The facade should be warm and high quality. Also, many builders, first they staple the film onto the log of the house, then they insulate it and then add another layer of film. It is not recommended to do this on wooden houses. This way, vapor permeability will be reduced, moisture will stay in the log, and the log will start to mold and rot. I recommend simply insulating, putting it on the log, then using a windproof film, and then come the rough works. Battens, window finishing, installation of drip caps, soffit finishing, and so on. Also, when we get soft insulation delivered, many clients try to save money. They think that insulating in 2 layers will be better quality, but that's not true. It's better to insulate with a single layer. With insulation. Place it more tightly together so there are no gaps, and that's it. One layer is enough. There is also mineral wool board, 80%. It's very rigid, but it's more suitable for even houses, just like with foam blocks. Structural insulated panel and frame houses. Something like that. Well, but exactly how ours turns out to be small. To be continued. Let's take a tape measure. Here. Okay, the wall is ready. Now we'll clamp it and use veranda brackets, insulation. From the outside, we've already insulated the wall by lunchtime, or rather, we've insulated the whole house. We began at 9 and insulated it. We secured it with these washers. But where don't we put the washers? Because there are different kinds of clients. Some are very meticulous and they don't buy the materials that are needed. We'll go over this with foam later. We have a drone. Here, the walls have already been clamped too. That is the insulation. That's it, the house is insulated. At first we wanted to insulate the first floor in 2 layers and not insulate the gable, just as the client said. We're rarely here, and they didn't want to insulate the whole house completely, but then they decided to insulate the entire house. That is the second layer of insulation. Extend the second insulation layer to the gable. Well, we also advise them the same way, at least to insulate with 1 layer. The insulation is good and it will already be reliable. Something like that. Adaka should be warm and cozy. Guys, I wanted to say something else. Our channel didn't open that way. Not long ago, I mean. I started uploading videos like this not so long ago. We already have 500 people on our channel. I'm very glad that you're watching our channel. I'm considering promoting our channel more to attract more viewers and keep it interesting for you. Good luck to all. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe. Also, don't forget to like. Bye everyone.